So, yung mga subscribers ko, mga fans.
Hello mga ka-generation! Halina't ako'y samahan at bisitahin ang isa sa mga historical locations sa Davao City, ang Jack's Ridge Resort and Restaurant. Located at Shrine Hills, Matina, Davao City, Jack's Ridge was once the headquarters of the Japanese forces during World War II. The wonderful and commanding view of Davao Gulf became their advantage in fighting the American forces during that time. Today, more than half a century later, Jack's Ridge is filled with reminders of its historic past. It was built to offer a new experience to travelers, and more development are underway to make it the premier dining resort in Davao City.
So ayan mga ka-generation, we are at Jack's Ridge Resort and Restaurant. So it's time check lang tayo, it's 11:35 in the morning or about noon na, and walang masyadong tao pa ngayon at this tower. Most of the people who just arrived or came in are actually going to have lunch dito sa area na to, and nandito tayo ngayon sa parang gazebo nila. Ayan, so an overlooking sa Davao City, entire Davao City. If you can see, that's the city proper. And below us, yan may mga puting tent. Yan ang Davao Memorial. So mga yan. Let's closer. Yan, closer look lang. Ayan, so that's Davao Memorial. Maganda siya paggabi. Just to see the entire city proper ng Davao City. Ayan. And yan, kung nakikita nyo yung island dyan sa dulo, yung may dagat, I think that's Samal Island, Davao del Norte. Dyan tayo nagbe-beach palagi. Yan, so yan yung mga infrastructure dito sa Davao City as of the moment. Medyo wala pa yung masyadong mga high-rise buildings, but medyo marami na din ng mga matataas na gusaling kino-construct as of the moment. And yan, sobrang tahimik. If you are looking for a place na medyo quiet and peaceful and you want to do some muni-muni, so you can actually come and visit here at Jack's Ridge. So may mga chairs sila dyan overlooking. Maganda dito guys pag gabi kasi the lights nung mga bahay nung entire cities, nakikita nyo talaga. Yan, so ikot pa tayo sa buong resort nila. Ayan, so may mga benches. Ayan, may mga bench naman dyan. So pwede kayo umupo. Yan, upo tayo dyan mamaya. And then transfer lang tayo doon sa kabilang gazebo. Ayan yung Davao City proper. Ayan, so sa tingin nyo, ayan, may mga ibon pa oh. May mga birds. Wow. Kung may naririnig kayo, naririnig ko yung mga kuliglig. Kasi wala talagang tao. Yan ata yung parang hall nila, yung may bubong. Ayan, puntahan natin dyan mamaya yung amphitheater nila. So ayan, the other side of the city. So dito lang tayo sa side, kuna natin. Ayan, So may usok-usok pa or something. So yan mismo yung City Plaza. Ayan, dito tayo. In-enjoy lang natin yung moment na to kasi tahimik nga, walang masyadong tao. Medyo mainit na kasi nga lunch time, madaling tanghaling tapat. At ngayon pa tayo naglalakad-lakad, diba? So, yan. Try natin itong mga bench. Narinig. May tuko. Yan, upo lang tayo dito sa mga upuan na to para at least makita natin yung sinasabi ko. Usually maraming tao dito kapag mga around hapon na or yung mga 4 or 5 kasi maganda yung tanawin dito pag gabi. So later on check natin yung itsura or ano yung itsura dito pag gabi. So titingnan natin yung mamaya. Yan, so enjoy lang natin yung peaceful and quiet moment na to kasi minsan lang tayo nakaka-experience ng ganitong katahimik na lugar. So walk with Sander to. Wow. Ayan guys, so andito tayo nga sa amphitheater nila banda. Ayan, so medyo gutom na talaga ako, so let's go back. Akit tayo dun kasi ayan, aakyatin na naman natin yan kasi pumunta tayo sa may restaurant nila at kakain tayo. Sobrang init pa and uhaw ako. Ayan guys, tatry natin yung hot chocolate nila at saka yung durian moss cake. Jack's Ridge Resort and Restaurant. So sarado yung part na ito. This is a swimming pool. Ayan, close siya. So sarado yung pool nila ngayon. So it's close. Ayan. Ayun, swimming pool nila sarado. Hello. 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 Hey. Hey. You're eating! You're eating! O yun na nga mga ka-Jen, since walang taxi dito, so kailangan nating maglakad palabas papunta dun sa highway, and then para makasakay tayo ng taxi. And tingnan nyo naman, dilim, so yun yung lalakarin natin palabas.